Welcome to Kizer's basketball tutorial. Jesus. Here is how you dribble. That is how you dribble. Now, here's how you take a shot at the rim. You gotta get your arms ready, get in position. Cut that out. Cut that out. Right. Here's how you do a layup. Now, I'm gonna show you how to dunk it. Yeah, give me. Now, you come up here. You are going to 1v1 me in basketball. Because I am a master, you will be beaten. Alright. You ready? Go. Oh. 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 Give me more! That's a soccer. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to dunk on someone.